Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn that how to let me show you first something. If you open a web browser and go to a website, and now in last video you can see I inspected something. So today I am going to teach you about them the developer tools of Chrome. So first, if you right click and click on inspect, you get here. Now I always recommend to use Google Chrome because it has the best developer tools. So now it is, if we go to inspect, this is the code written by this website, and if you click on this icon and then hover on, let's say, this logo, so here it is saying A with anchor tag with the class of navbar band and span tag. I will teach you about that in the next video. So inside span tag it is saying Visual Studio Code. And let's say if I right click and say edit HTML, inside this if I change to Visual, let's say Chrome developer tool, Chrome developer tools, and you can see it has changed to Chrome developer tools. That's how it is very useful, and we will be using them in our course. And inside this you also get a console, so when we will learn JavaScript we will use that. Then inside sources you get the all the assets of that website. So inside this you can see it has having the icon, the search or svg is this, the download is this button. So it is very useful, and this is all the code written by this website. And it is also using Google Fonts, that's why it is also using that. So I hope this video was helpful to you to learn about them, and in future videos we will also see network, memory, application and all. So thanks for watching this video. If today's video was helpful to you, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.